overlapping my previous assignments. So this time I could make out the one day I was to miss that, but still I could manage another work, and I could attend this. And especially I would like to thanks Mr. Krishna. He helped me a lot, and every time there was a course, he used to send me the this one. So it has the course is very informative, and it has added value addition to our knowledge, and directly or indirectly it will reflect in our business. So thank you very much for conducting this kind of courses, and sir, keep on going like doing this. See, I am a distributor for all mutual funds, so I have attended that RVCC rebalancing that Kanak sir has conducted, that also I have attended, and one course was submitted by some other, arranged by some other mutual fund, that also I have undergone. So I appreciate the efforts collectively of all the mutual funds, that you have taken lot of efforts to increase our knowledge. So thank you very much for conducting such kind of this one courses. Please go ahead and conduct more programs. Thank you very much. And this Kanak ji as well as our Saurabh ji, they have taught us very well. Really I appreciate, because I am a student throughout my lifetime, and I like to learn so many good things and all this, and they what they do now, till our last satisfaction they will try to answer all our queries. That I appreciate more, because some people know they ignore, and yeah, so both of
मैं
them.
अभी यही appreciate करने वाला था. Thanks for asking so many questions, because बहुत बार क्या होता है ना, sessions में people hesitate and they don't answer. So I would like, very I would appreciate that, whatever you could not understand, आपने just अपना hands up किया and you wanted an answer very prompt on that part. So that is something, which is very much appreciable.
No, it's my nature. Whatever I do, I will do by 100% involvement. That is my nature. And I don't have a stage fear or something to ask, and I don't bother what others will feel about my question, whether they will underestimate me or something. I am not that kind. I'm very bold. So, sir,
Okay.
thank you very much for conducting such courses. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Appreciate your feedback.
Yeah, next, Mr. KK. Yeah, Rohit. I think he just came up. Yeah, Rohit ji. Yeah, Rohit, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Saurabh. It's fantastic learning from you. Thanks a lot, Kanak and Manish, for this opportunity for us to learn. Because I have been an equity person since last 10, 15 years. I know most of the things in equity, but when it came to debt, I always felt, okay, I don't know. So I used to attend each and every webinar which was related to debt fund and debt mutual funds or debentures, bonds, etc. Whenever I heard those terms, I thought I lacked something. So I thought this is a great opportunity for me, because within 3-4 days, I got almost all the things which are needed to make a decision in this part.
Great.
So great learning for me. Within 4 days, I got to know most of the things. I need not waste my time in attending all the seminars and webinars related to debt now. So that is a great advantage for me. Fantastic learning. And of course, Saurabh, credit to you for answering all the questions, as well as being very free in giving all the knowledge. So great experience for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Great. Thanks, Rohit. Appreciate your feedback.
Yeah. Yes, Mr. KK. Yes.
Yes. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Kanak sir. How are you? Yeah, and good evening, Manish sir.
Good evening.
Session. Yeah, excellent session by Axis Mutual Fund, and a very, very good initiative. So these initiatives should keep on coming, for us
Sure.
as the distributor fraternity. And Saurabh sir has been really excellent, and it has given me a lot of insight on the Axis Mutual Fund debt side, because equity I was really following, but debt side has been given a lot of insight by Saurabh sir, and even today Siva sir, who was there from the fixed income side. Not to forget Sir Ajay Pathak sir, who was there yesterday. So it has been a fantastic session, fantastic 4 days, and thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Sanjay ji. Yes. Sanjay, you need to unmute yourself. Yeah. Yeah. Yes,
हेलो
Sanjay. Yeah,
हेलो
Sanjay.
हेलो
Yeah.
हाँ कनक सर नमस्ते नाइस बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस रहा ओवरऑल 4 दिन कैसे बीता पता नहीं चला और सौरभ जी ने बड़े ही सिंपल वे में डेट को जो कि काफी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सब्जेक्ट है ओवरऑल इक्विटी तो बहुत लोग डील करते हैं और काफी दिन से उसमें देखते आते हैं हम लोग मार्केट के अकॉर्डिंग चलता है बट मेरे हिसाब से डेट थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता है बट इन्होंने बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से समझाया और बहुत ही सीखने को मिला बहुत ही यूजफुल सेशन रहा थैंक यू वंस अगेन थैंक यू
Thank you so much for your feedback, sir.
Yeah, Darshan ji, yes. You need to unmute yourself, Darshan. Yeah. Yes. Go ahead, Darshan.
बस इट्स अ नाइस एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी कुछ ऐसी बातें जानने को मिली तो एक्चुअली नहीं पता था इतने साल इंडस्ट्री में रहने के बाद भी काफ़ी खुल रहा
थोड़ा सा आवाज तेज कर लीजिए सर आपका आवाज बहुत कम आ रहा है
हेलो
या नाउ इट्स बेटर
काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें जानने को मिली और इतने साल इंडस्ट्री में रहने के बाद भी काफ़ी कुछ टेक्निकल जो भी डेट का है वो जानने को मिला और इट्स अ वेरी नाइस एक्सपीरियंस
थैंक यू
Darshan ji.
या संजय जी यस
Yes, sir. Sir, that is a very, very good sessions. And actually, जो सभी जो participant है, I think they can be changed their funds tomorrow from. And sir, Kanak sir ji, you also thank you for joining us. And everybody, so thank you very much, Mahesh sir ji, all of us. Thank you. That's very nice, sir, session. Thank you very much.
Appreciate.
Yes, anybody would like to say anything? Mrigank, Ajay, anybody?
Sir, in the future, is there any session? So please let me inform, sir.
Yeah.
Any
Sure, we will.
either regarding debt or even equity also.
Sure, we'll do that.
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Thank you.
When you all are sharing your feedback, tell one thing which you will implement from tomorrow onwards. I think that will
very
make more
important.
sense. Yeah. The most important thing.
Yes, Mrigank, yes.
सौरभ जी थैंक यू वेरी मच आपका सेशन बहुत अच्छा रहा मैंने इतने सेशन अटेंड किए डेट पे मैं नहीं समझ पाया मुझे क्लैरिटी कभी नहीं आ पाई हालांकि मैं डेट में करता हूँ 60-40 का मेरा रेशियो है लेकिन जो मैं क्लैरिटी आज लेके जा रहा हूँ 4 दिन बाद ये मतलब अनफॉरगेटेबल मतलब मैं कभी भूल नहीं पाऊंगा लेकिन मेरी आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है आपको अपना व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाइए या जब भी कोई देखिए डेट ऐसा वास्ट एरिया है कि हम एक दिन में नहीं समझ सकते सारी चीजें अगर जैसे आप कोई व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाइए कैसा जैसे कोई भी नया डेट में चेंजेस आ रहे हैं तो जिससे या कोई ट्रेनिंग उस पर ऑर्गेनाइज करिए 6 मंथ में या 1 ईयर में जिससे हम लोग उसको अपडेटेड रहें और जो आपने आज रिसर्च का टूल बताया बहुत अच्छा रूपी इन्वेस्ट जो आपने बताया ना मेरा टाइम बहुत बच जाएगा थैंक यू वेरी मच मुझे मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा लगा
नहीं वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ टेलीग्राम में हमने ग्रुप बना लिया है उसमें ऑलमोस्ट 100+ एडवाइजर्स ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं जिन्होंने कोर्स अटेंड किया है कुछ लोग और भी जुड़ रहे हैं सो और ऐसे भी ये व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप हम लोग कुछ दिन कंटिन्यू करेंगे एंड देन वी विल मूव टू दैट टेलीग्राम ग्रुप
हाँ दूसरा मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन है अगर कोई आपको लगता है कोई डेट में कोई चेंजेस आ रहे हैं जिस पे हमको देखे तो आप एक अपना व्यू उस पे थैंक यू सर
थैंक यू सर या संजय जी यस यू वांट टू से समथिंग Okay, I think he's not able. We are not able. Yes.
सर टेलीग्राम का लिंक भेज दीजिए सर
हाँ भेज देंगे
और मनीष ठाकुर सर को व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में भी ऐड करिए थोड़ा सा हम लोग को जो जानकारियां मिलती रहेंगी अपडेट होते रहेंगे
Sure, we'll do that. Actually, Vipul was there, तो हम लोग जा नहीं रहे थे कि सर ज्यादा बॉदर करें. So and Vipul was updating
I'm
some
happy.
information. Yeah,
I'm happy, no problem. But Vipul जी है हमारे जो यहाँ पे who basically heads the entire IFA initiatives pan India पे तो Vipul है. But I'm fine. If you want to add me to the WhatsApp group, no problem. Just give me a sense of what are the questions and what is the feedback coming from the group.
ये तो कोई हम पार्टी वाला है मन कनक जैन बहुत स्मार्ट बंदा है ये, बहुत तेज कर रहा है, यही ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है ये, बहुत स्मार्ट।
I think he's just speaking to somebody at his home.
नहीं चलिए अच्छा है, पीछे से भी लोग स्मार्ट अच्छी बात ही कर रहे हैं। That is very important.
That's true. So, Saurabh, if there aren't any more feedback suggestions, I'll just take 5 minutes, Kanak, and then hand it over for what you're absolutely good at in terms of solving people's queries. सबसे पहले मैं आप सब लोगों का धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा. I would like to thank all of you all for investing 4 days. I think it's not very easy to remove 2.5 hours every day. But I'm very happy to know that these sessions that you've gone through the last 4 days has been very enriching. The feedback I'm getting is making us just feel very nice that we've actually been able to add value to you all, which is so very important. So my heartiest, thanks goes out to SLA. Kanak, thank you so much. I know you've been trying to convince us that this is something that we should be doing, and I must thank you. For giving us this opportunity, and of course ICFI. I think they also have been one of the big supporters in this entire thing, and I'm happy that this Beyond Bond Basics and the objective of this was not to come and give you all gyan, but to give you all what you call as to answer some of the practical challenges that you essentially face when you're talking to clients and customers, and more importantly, giving a lot of clarity to a lot of concepts which you think are clear in your mind. But remember that debt is such a complicated and vast subject, and last 18 months we know how difficult it is. I think hopefully with this, your confidence level in terms of taking out fixed income products to your clients and customers and facing questions from them will obviously would have gone up significantly. All I want to leave you all with is that while equities is there, obviously helps you to kind of create wealth, I think if you really want to expand your business, you cannot avoid selling fixed income. And I think the idea was to ensure that each one of us are up the knowledge curve. We are much more well equipped in terms of taking products out in the right manner to our clients and customers, setting the right expectation, and helping them kind of create wealth. And I'm sure after this session, all of you all are much more richer in terms of your knowledge levels. And once again, I would like to thank Kanak. Thank you so much, Kanak. And I'm sure we'll come back to you all with many more sessions, not only on fixed income, on equity, or any other feedback that we get from you all. So thank you once again, and all the best, and be safe.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Yeah, Rohit here.
Yeah, Rohit.
Yeah, Saurabh.
So commodity and currency can also be can also be few sessions. Maybe you can combine commodity and currency, because financial advisors or IFAs they also need to know about commodity market, what's happening, because everything is linked. Equity, debt, commodity, currency. Most of the things are linked. So maybe if you can find someone and have a session which can combine commodity and currency. So it will be a great advantage for all of us. We don't get these things anywhere.
Sure.
I think gold has, as an asset class, have attracted a lot of people, and a lot of advisors have felt that they have entirely left out on the entire gold rally that could have been added. So I think, yes, very rightly pointed out by Rohit. Like if we could get some indicators, probably like we should track and we should start allocating some funds to gold. So it would act as another asset allocation into the entire basket.
Sure.
Yeah.
So Kanak and Saurabh, if it's okay, can I log out because I need to log into another session?
Yeah, sure, sir.
So thank you so much. Thank you, friends, and thank you for giving us the opportunity. Thank you so much, and all the best, and be safe.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, when you will mention the scores of this test, whatever?
Yeah, you would have got all the answers in your mail. Then out of the 15 questions, which all you have answered correctly, but still we can calculate the score and we can again mail it back to you. Okay. That we can do that.
Sir, if there is any course for doing financial calculation by using Excel, is there any course? Can you please mention it?
Yeah, okay, we'll just find it out, and if there is anything, definitely I'll just get back.
Okay, sir.
But just hold on to that. We are not ending it. Kanak Bhaiya has joined, and he'll just share his last 10-15 years experience in terms of, you know, how you can do the objection handling. Because ठीक है, हमको knowledge, we got it, everything is there, but many a times you get a lot of objections from your client. So how to handle that? So, yes,
I'll